everyone, welcome back to another video, and those who all are new, hey, my name is Mridula. So in this video we are going to discuss about two main off-campus drives of December 2021, and they are Cognizant and Adobe. So these two are very famous companies and they have started their off-campus drive. So without any bakwas, let's get started the video and discuss the main points of this off-campus drive. In this video we will be discussing the batches eligible, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the job role, and what all things are required, what are the skills required, and how you can apply for this off campus drive. So let's get started. The first company is Cognizant. So basically we all know about Cognizant, and here you can see the job role. So Cognizant is hiring for their Gen Z programmer trainee program, and here you can see the batches eligible. This is the most important. 2020 and 2021 batches are eligible. So one of my subscriber had suggested me to suggest a off campus drive for 2022 batch. So this is in this video, and for Cognizant 2020 batch is eligible. The job type is full time, and here you can see the location. The location is cross India. Application deadline, so make sure you apply for Cognizant before 6th of January 2022 11:59 p.m. and this is the job description. You can read the job description later. The link will be given in the description. So this is the main point. Eligibility criteria: 2022 and 2021 batch of BCA, BSc, IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, PG courses are not eligible. So this is the eligibility criteria, and here you can see the academic record: minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th diploma UG. All subjects will be taken into consideration. So you should have minimum of 60%. No standing errors in a current education. So maximum of 2 years gap. So maximum 2 years gap is allowed, and these are some of the eligibility criteria. If you want to apply for Cognizant, which is a very famous company, make sure you click on the link below. You will be directly directed to the Cognizant main website where you can apply for this job. So this was the first job. The second job is through Adobe. So Adobe has started their off-campus freshers recruitment for tech intern BS position. So here you can see about the Adobe company, and then you can see here the job profile. So the job profile is tech intern BS. The work location will be Bangalore, and here freshers are allowed. So experience required is not much. If you don't have any experience, if you have 0 years of experience, still you can apply for this job because here freshers are eligible. Then here you can see about the job description, and you can read this job description. If you are really interested in this job, then you can apply for this job. The link will be given in the description. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, and if you want to watch more such videos on off campus drive, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and all the best.